Usually is the same with conventional method, except the eggs. Yeah, the eggs is the first program is no any hormonal stimulation. We follow up the patient and to take the eggs at immature state out completely, no any hormonal stimulation, and to do IVM to get a mature egg and to make the embryos the same with conventional ART or mature egg inside, and to make the embryos and can freeze everything. Yeah. The second, the problem from the first one is the lining, because if you don't have any hormonal stimulation, the disadvantage is the lining of the womb sometimes it's very thin. Even after we take the egg out from the patient, we usually give the estrogen, make the lining of the womb thick, and sometimes it's not thick enough. That's the main problem. We need to freeze and then come back to transfer again, just in case this one. The second option is we have partial stimulation. We have 5 days of hormonal stimulation, and we not continue more than 5 days because we avoid to have the OSSS. Yeah. And we take the egg out from the patient at immature state and to do IVM. After to get the mature egg, the process with the conventional method to make the embryos, we can make the diagnosis, we can freeze, we can transfer, no problem.